tease the latest Mustang and automotive news. Today we've got the first photo of the fender flare. This is not the photo. First photo of the fender flare for the Bronco Raptor and a release date of when Ford is going to actually, do a preview on this. So just we've got 3 things to look at here. And the last one is actually the fender flare. It's like LED tail light with a big glossy fender flare. It looks super cool. So let's just go through this real quick. So here it is. Obviously, that is actually what those flares look like in the photo Mike Levine posted on his Instagram. So basically on Monday, January 24th at 6 a.m., so they're going to do the SUV premiere for the Ford Bronco Raptor, okay? We don't exactly know what's going on with it, but here's a tweet from Ford Motor Company. This was just 55 minutes ago, January 21st, okay? So, and then here was some, now I haven't even looked at these photos, so let's just go through here and look at these photos together. See if there's anything in here that we can spot. You guys are seeing this just as I am, unless you've already looked at this stuff. So let's just go back one more, or not. Let's go forward one more. Okay, so looks like someone was driving. Obviously, they blurred them out. They covered this thing up. So you've got these paddle shifters here. You've got, I'm not sure if this is new, this red trim. I'm not sure how much different this stuff is. It does look like it has a sportier steering wheel, unless I'm wrong. Let's just keep flipping through here. They're trying to look at the RPM gauge. Looks like the red line's at about 6, 6250, 65. So if that could give you an indication if it's the 3-liter twin turbo EcoBoost or a 3.5 or 4-liter. I don't know. You'd have to go on the Bronco Raptor forums and see exactly what they're estimating and guesstimating what it is. Nice big flat screen. So, let's see if we can get tire sizes and all this stuff, but I'm just going to keep flipping through here and then I'll show you the photo, guys. But I mean, I think it's great. I love the idea of having a fast Bronco, and it'd probably get decent gas mileage, 10-speed auto, 400 horsepower, something like that. I think that's awesome, if you ask me. Let's see if we can get around to those tail lights, because the tail lights were kind of the big thing that's in this screenshot. Yeah, I believe that's the same tail lights. Let's just go back and see what the article says. Yeah, rumors of 3-liter 3.5 between 400 and 450 horsepower. Now, as we know, the EcoBoost engines make a ton of torque. So it's lots of torque with that 10-speed automatic. Pretty awesome, to be honest. That's more capable of soaking it. So, more capable. Maybe, I don't know if they're going to set it up like the F-150 Raptor, which is kind of a high-speed car or not. Upgrades to the brake and drive line that would add optional Warthog package. Remember, I posted a video a long time back when they had a photo of someone at Ford who had written Warthog on the inside of the fender well next to the suspension, okay? Follow the Raptor's debut on January 24th. Look for the model to be on sale in showrooms before the end of the year as a 2023 model. Pricing is still a mystery. Okay, cool. And then this is just over on Ford's Facebook. The all-new Ford Bronco Raptor built wild to the extreme. 1/24/22 at 6 a.m. So this is official. This is definitely official. Okay, this is Mr. Levine's Instagram, and we should definitely go give him a follow and a like, and show him some love over there. So this is what we got. He posted this an hour ago. Going to be a long week in Bronco Raptor. We revealed 6 a.m. on Monday. Hashtag Bronco Raptor. So can't see much here, obviously. But I do see a little scoopage. Little scoopy scoop here. And, if I was a professional, I could tell you every little detail, but I can't see too much more. You've got these little things here. Those are just mirrors, it looks like. So let's go back to the other photo that he just posted like 30 minutes ago, an hour ago now. So those are some flares. Those are some big flares. Those are different tail lights. I like the look. I love this kind of a shiny material. It's not the really textured dry material that if you get wax on it, it will stain it and it'll be all white. This stuff, if you had like a spray wax on your cloth, on your car polishing cloth or your car drying cloth, it would just wipe on and off of this really fast, right? So it won't get all sticky on that stuff. Anyways, just thought I'd share it with you guys. Let me know what you think. Is this thing going to be a beast? Is it going to be 450 horsepower, 400 horsepower? I'm excited about it. I love that Ford the car industry just keeps getting crazier and crazier. More options, more models, more, it's more, you can accessorize everything more. Yeah, I love it. So go check out his Instagram. He's got some great of his Ranger trimmer and all sorts of different stuff. He's out in Southern California. So go check out Mr. Levine. And then over here at Bronco 6G, go over there, check out, stay tuned with the latest Bronco news. I just wanted to show you a few of the tweets. And then here is a screenshot of the front. So if you notice, this looks just like the F-150 Raptor bumper. Looks similar anyways. Not just like it, but it looks similar with the 3 lights. I remember them saying that they had to add these lights on the front end to comply with the state laws for a wider vehicle. So I'm not sure if this is so wide that it actually needs to be. These are to meet regulations or not. But what a beautiful front grille. And obviously you have the camera here and these cool little lights. So when it's in your rear view mirror, you'll notice that it's not just a regular Bronco. Got the LED tails, the big fenders again. And then here is a really cool photo that I haven't seen yet. Maybe this is old, but super cool. As you can see, this is the Bronco Raptor, and it's definitely articulating that suspension, as you can see back here. Look at that. It's getting its money's worth. So, beautiful truck. Looks like they could have aired down a little bit more. Maybe they already have. I just can't see it in the photo. Beautiful truck. As you can see, that's the grille. Boom, boom, boom. And I believe there is a little bit of a scoop back there, or a raised cowl section. And that's obviously the Bronco Raptor. And then over on the forums, I think people are just basically making a joke about, because people put in orders like so long ago and nobody's gotten there. A lot of people still are waiting to get their Broncos. So if you put an order in, actually, they're going to swap it out for a Bronco grill. If you've actually put an order in already, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know how long you've been waiting to get yours. I know a lot of people have been waiting. So, all right, if you're new to the channel, I just do Mustang automotive news videos. If you'd like to stay updated and you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and just keep the discussion going down in the comment section. Have a good day.